Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited, established in 2000, is one of the leading rubber sheet manufacturers and suppliers in China, with more than 20 years of production experience. Our core capability is to focus on the R&D and production of various rubber sheets. We have been continuously improving rubber sheet production technology for decades. We have 2 production factories in China, covering an area of 68,000 square meters, and consistently produce high-quality products whose performance fully meets expectations. We are fortunate to be invited to participate in the 2022 new version of rubber insulating sheet and industrial conductive and anti-static rubber plates. Testing standards were drafted and revised. The company has passed ISO 9001, ISO 45001, and ISO 14001 certifications. Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited has 50 production lines, with a daily output of up to 226 tons, and a wide range of products including rubber sheets, rubber mats, cow and horse mats, and custom rubber products. We strictly implement the production process in accordance with industry standards, including ASTM and FDA, and provide high-quality rubber sheets that meet international standards at very competitive prices. We have SGS, RoHS 2.0, REACH, IEC 61111 certificates, which can meet demanding industrial requirements. At present, the products have been exported to 3 continents in the world. We have professional technical knowledge and rich export experience, and can answer customer inquiries quickly and efficiently. The factory inventory area is 1,930 square meters, storing rubber sheets ranging from 1 mm to 100 mm, and Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited is located in Tianjin, China, with convenient transportation. With the advantage of the port, fast shipment can be achieved, providing customers with the best delivery speed. At the same time, we provide customized services with special specifications, are firmly committed to manufacturing in China and providing effective solutions to customers, and constantly add and innovate new products to the product series. Tianjin China Rubber Co. Limited always welcomes opportunities to cooperate with companies around the world to help solve problems.